guys, welcome to my channel Gardening of Plants. I will show how to um, how to make neem fertilizer for plants and for killing off pests on in the ground. First take some water and rinse it and wash it eventually for 2 minutes. Wash it for 2 to 3 times in this utensil for removing all the dirt and pests that are in the leaves. And this type of utensil is used for making bundi laddus or like channi. Then blind it in a mixie jar. If you want to boil it without grinding, then you can do it. But if you grind it, then all the proteins and nutrients that are in the neem can eventually that can dissolve in water very easily. It will not take time. Please add 1 cup of water for making make a thin paste, or else it will not grind up easily. It will take many time to grind. You can see this much thin paste is formed. Sometimes leaves are not grinded because of little water, but it's okay. Then remove it in a container. For this much paste, use 1.5 liter water in this much. Boil the water for 15 to 20 minutes, or cook the neem paste till the foam rises. For 15 to 20 minutes you should cook, otherwise all the proteins cannot get weak, or otherwise all the proteins did not get released in water. Therefore please cook for 10 to 20 minutes in low flame. After 20 minutes you can see the water is started boiling in low flame. Then switch off the flame and let it to be cooled down. After it has been cooled, use this like funnel, and then use this this is used to separate tea. Don't see don't throw this waste. It can be used for plants. It is a good fertilizer and good pest, and it is a good pesticide. It is a good pesticide and weedicide. It can kill pests and weeds. Therefore don't throw it. Store in this like big bottles. If you store this liquid by these methods, then it can be useful, and it can be stored for a very long duration of time. Please share and subscribe my video. Do not use this liquid directly, otherwise your plants can get damaged. Therefore, use 1 glass of this water into 1 liter to dilute it.